One of the ways to find machines with unconstrained delegation is with PowerView. We can do get domain computer, tac unconstrained, and let's just return the SAM account name of the machine. Okay, the domain controllers always have this, so we can pretty much just ignore them. We can see that serve1 is configured for unconstrained delegation. So bfarmer is a local admin there, so let's just jump to it. Probably need to create a listener. Okie dokie. Now I'm going to execute Rubius. And I'm going to put it into monitor mode. And I'm going to set an interval, quite a short interval of 10. So this will monitor all of the TGTs on that machine and dump them out. So we've got a few already. One of them is for bfarmer, well that's us. We have another one for jking, the machine account itself, and another one from jking, machine account. So not from a domain admin. So if I move across to workstation 2, let's open a command prompt. So we are nlam. Nlam is a domain admin. And all we have to do is interact with server 1 in some way. So let's just do a list of the C$ drive. Okay. And wait a bit. And Rubius has just given us this TGT for nlam. So let's copy this whole thing. And let's open Visual Studio Code. And paste that ticket in. So all we need to do is remove the line breaks. With nothing. And any spaces with nothing. Just to get it all on one line. And copy that back into the clipboard. Now back on bfarmer's original beacon, we try to list the C$ share on the domain controller. It should fail, yeah, because we're not a domain admin. So let's make a token for nlam and give it a fake password. So this is our sacrificial token to make sure that we don't clobber any existing tickets. And then let's save that ticket to disk. So let's say system.io.file, write all bytes. We're going to write it to users administrator desktop, and I'll call it nlam.kirby. And then the content will be system.convert from base64 string, and copy that ticket in. Okay, so that's given us a ticket on the desktop. And now we do Kerberos ticket use C users administrator desktop nlam. And then if we try to list the domain controller again, we have access.